Welcome to Ace Auto Repair, where we don't just meet your auto repair needs, we anticipate them. We're shifting gears to focus on one of the often overlooked yet hugely important components of your car, the water pump. At the heart of your car's cooling system, your water pump works tirelessly to keep your engine at the perfect temperature. But like all hard workers, it too needs attention and care. So how do you know when your car's water pump is crying out for a replacement? The telltale signs are there if you know where to look. Overheating, coolant leaks, steam from your radiator, or whining sounds from your pump are key indicators your water pump is on its last legs. Let's start with coolant leaks. If you spot a greenish fluid under your car, it's a clear sign your water pump's gasket and seals may have worn out and it's time for a replacement. Overheating? It could mean that your water pump isn't doing its job correctly, potentially leading to expensive engine damage if not checked in time. Finally, if you're seeing steam from the radiator or hearing a high-pitched whine from your water pump, don't ignore it. These are SOS signals. Remember, preventative maintenance is always less costly than extensive repairs. If you see any of these signs, don't wait. Bring your car to our service center at Ace Auto Repair. Here at Ace Auto Repair, our expert technicians replace your car's water pump effectively and efficiently, ensuring a smooth ride for you. So why wait? Call us at 801-803-6016 or visit our website. Protect your car, protect your peace of mind.